Leo the inquisitive truck, curious and upbeat. In his truck bed he brings many colored parts. Leo the inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo, Leo, Leo the truck. Leo the truck carries parts of a new vehicle. Oh, look at these big trucks driving on the road. The trucks carry sand.
Huh?
Leo, are you going to build a big vehicle as well? And heavy, right? Unload the parts. Let's start. A chassis. An engine. A cabin. What's next, Leo? Wheels? No! These are discs for caterpillar tracks.
Oh.
We need these parts too, so the caterpillars could move. And this is a blade. The bulldozer needs it to level sand, earth, or stones.
Oh.
Put the driver's seat and the steering wheel. Exhaust pipe and lights. The first caterpillar. Oh, Leo, we don't have the second caterpillar. Do you know where to find it? This is Forklift Lifty. He has everything in his shop. Leo, follow Lifty. Choose the right part for the bulldozer. A big wheel?
Huh?
No, a small wheel.
Oh.
No. Caterpillar, here it is. Lifty puts it in Leo's body. Thank you. The bulldozer is ready to work. Today, it will level the sand that was brought by the large trucks. Excellent work, Bulldozer. Well done, Leo. Look! Leo, Lifty, and Scoop are hiding behind some rectangles. They are going to watch some new cartoons. And you? Choose quickly. Click on the rectangles. Quickly, before they disappear.